No, no, no. After she get the iPhone 17, I will show you she block you. She break up you. You're wasting your money to her. Sa aking pagpanaw sana ay tagalan. My God. Game over. Good afternoon. Shall we? Your love is blind, brother. You already blind. She just want only your money, not you. Baby Ana, good afternoon. Really? Ang nangyari sa ating kapaligiran. Jomar. Good afternoon, Jomar. At hindi na. You don't need to think, bro, okay? Do what is right. Why you need to think? She already want your money. You don't need to think what to do. Just do it. Eric Chan, good afternoon. I'm yours. Hello, I'm yours. What 1,000? It's up to you lah. Kulit. Sweet boy, good afternoon. Iba na account mo. Same pa rin to. I'm yours. You care lang. Better care your sister. Not your gold digger girlfriend. Tinuruan. Ah! Na. I know your girlfriend is gold digger, so you don't need to think if you black hair or not. Your girlfriend is gold digger. But your sister is only social climber. But yeah, then you can enjoy. You can find bitter, right? Kakushi. Ganging sa'yo. Kakushi, I love you, baby. Kakushi, send me gift na, darling. Ganging sa'yo. Kakushi. Who can give me money, I will give all. What? Do focus your work, then you can get money. Because nobody can give you money for free. Just go to focus your job. Then you get money, you get salary, then you have money. No? Kakashi, baby, send me gift na. Ang puso ko'y tanging sa'yo. Kakashi, baby. Shawi, ang puso ko'y tanging sa'yo. Baby Uno, hindi ka nagmulte. Shablak, shablak. Ay, thank you. Need more, baby. I need more. Ang puso ko'y sticker Sikdar Akas. You are so beautiful. Oh, thank you. Thank you for your compliments, baby. Send me gift na. Sikdar. Send me gift. Thank you. I'm from your heart. I'm from your heart, baby. Send me kiss me na. Kiss me. Then I gonna kiss you. Ang lande. Hi, Lani. Shall we? Tawa ka dyan, Bia. Thank you, baby Lani. Yeah, send me gift na. Sikdar, darling, honey, my love so sweet. I love you, mini mini. Hindi, be, naban yung account ko 1 year. Kaya nag-stop ako sa pagbibigo. Kababalik ko lang.